The universe with billions of galaxies and even more number of stars is considered by many as finite. Many believe universe did not existed but was originated. The origin of universe brings the Big Bang theory in picture. The phrase Big Bang theory has been popular among astrophysicists for decades, but it hit the mainstream when a comedy show with the same name premiered in 2007. So what exactly is the Big Bang theory? Well, let's find out. The Big Bang theory is the leading explanation about how the universe began. At its simplest, it says that the universe as we know today started with a small singularity. It then expanded over the next 13.8 billion years to the cosmos we know today. But how exactly the universe originated? Seconds after the Big Bang happened, the surrounding temperature was around 10 billion degree Fahrenheit. The cosmos contained the vast area of fundamental particles such as neutrons, electrons and protons. As the time progressed, universe got cooler, which resulted in decaying of these particles. In the early stages, there was no light but only energy. However, as the electrons met up with nuclei creating neutral atoms, it allowed the light to shine after 380,000 light years after the Big Bang. This early light sometimes is known as afterglow. As the time progressed, the universe continued to expand. The tiny particles grouped together to form atoms and over the time came together to form stars and galaxies. The first star created bigger atom and the group of atoms called molecules gave birth to even more bigger stars. At the same time, galaxies were crashing and grouping together which led to the birth and death of many stars, creating asteroids, comets, planets and the black holes. We might initially think that if everything appears to be expanding away from everything else, then we can extrapolate everything back to when they all originated at the same location. But in reality, the universe didn't exploded, it just expanded. In an expanding universe, every location in space looks like the same when you consider a large enough volume of it. The Big Bang theory didn't happen at single point but rather occurred everywhere at once. The fact that universe had no repeating structures, no identical edge and no preferred direction offer evidence that there is no specific origin point for the Big Bang. It happened everywhere at once with no preferred center location. While we can understand how the universe we see came to be, it's possible that the Big Bang is not the first inflammatory period that universe have experienced. Some scientists believe we live in a cosmos that goes through a regular cycles of inflation and deflation, and that we just happen to be living in one of these phases. Also, while the majority of astronomical community accepts the Big Bang theory, there are some astrophysicists who have alternative explanations. These explanations, like eternal inflation or oscillating universe, we are going to see in the upcoming episodes.